We're opening surprise eggs well, and we're going to open them. One the trolls, and Kylie's the one the Zoom Zooms.
You're right. This one's Kylie's.
Yeah. What's Zoom Zooms?
Oh, this one's Kaylanee's.
Yes. I have two Zoom Zooms. This is hard. What's the rags? Yeah. We'll get inside, and we'll get shower with toys. Oh, I see this one next. I see this one Oh. You have water eggs, right, Mommy? And video. I got Skittles. But eggs.
It's not Skittles. It's a surprise egg.
This is a surprise egg, and you got surprise egg Tiny and Kylie's. Oh wait, you have to open your hands because I need help. Want to help? Okay. You need scissors, Mommy? Scissors not for babies. Scissors for you.
Adults.
Mm-hmm.
For mommies.
Yeah. Open. There. I got open yours. Mommy, I opened this one nest. Oh. It's weird stuff. Right? Yeah. They got a lot of stuff. Like Paw Patrol. Mommy, Kylie got the Paw Patrol next time. What night? I need help. Thank you, Mommy. I got the fresh toy. It's an ice cream. This is too nice. But I opened this one because Kylie Kylee. It's a doggy
From?
Paw Patrol. I got the ice cream. Special ice cream. I didn't open this because the stickers. I opened that but I need help now. That one has stickers in it. I see this one missed them. Oh, I got it! Here. No, there you go. Oh! This doesn't have surprise in it. Oh, ouch. Give me help. Oh, like this.
Is that Kylie?
It's an ice cream cone. So it's an ice cream cone. With the fresh ice cream. Here, the character. They have two characters stickers.
Wow.
They have two stickers.
These are tattoos.
Mommy, they got two tattoos in there.
Yeah, wow.
Mommy, see? They got two tattoos. Mommy, why down the hair?
You can change the hair.
Here. two in them.
Wow.
They got Sally and Anna. Open and his brother Stitch. His brother Stitch. And the collectors. They had two collectors. Oh. Mommy! This Stitch is here! Like his hair, look!
Yeah, that's Stitch's ears.
Yeah. That's the same one his brothers.
Yeah.
His two brothers, right? Look at this. A color book. He writes branch. He writes branch.
Yeah.
Because he's not his friend. Her friend. I got Paw Patrol as well. They got same colors. They got it almost. You got a lot of surprise eggs, Whitney. Oh, they have different colors, look. They have yellow and blue. Oh. This one is moving, but really going. Look.
Oh, you guys have the same ones.
Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. We're playing doggies. I have a lot of surprises. Next one. Kylie writes the phrases. Moana book.
Wow.
Look. The Moana changed her piggy. Her piggy. He changed her piggy. I got same one by Kylie. That came off you.
Need help, Kylie?
No. You're right, me, Mommy. I needed help again. Oh. Oh, funny one. This is a funny one. Need help. Kylie needs help now. Oh, got the doggy. The cute doggy. Thank you. Look. Look. Mommy, I got this.
Wow. It's Donald Duck's ice cream.
It's like funny ice cream. It's a Donald Duck. One need help both. You change the hair. What? See? They both are clean. It's gonna show off. We're getting excited. We got too many eggs. Ooh, shocking. Ooh, fine back.
There's one.
Like his doll.
And there's another one.
Ooh! I got what's this shotgun?
It's a mushroom.
It's a mushroom for dinner. It's from dinner.
Mushroom for dinner?
Yeah. Like the table.
Kylie got stickers. Minnie Mouse.
I got a plant.
Oh yeah, cactus.
It's a cactus. Like the Minecraft one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the things right there. I got it again!
What's that?
It's a toy again! It's like a more toy! Ice cream!
Delectables?
Yeah. Maybe.
They are called Disney Delectables. So they're like little ice cream
Yeah.
from Disney.
Yeah. Like ice cream Disney. Like Charlie. Like the Target one. It goes in Target. Ooh. I got this.
Wow, that's pretty.
Mommy, what did I get?
Goofy!
Goofy. Goofy with sprinkles.
Goofy got sprinkles.
Yeah, they have a, Mommy, they have the green tea one. This one have in my book. He likes him.
Oh,
He likes person. He's his friend. Rooster. Oh, it's a bunny in there. Showed it.
funny and glitters.
Just shake it with the glitters. Ooh, shotgun more. Got it. Honey got it. I got it, Mommy. Oh, I got shotguns. I got a stove.
Oh.
Look, Mommy. It writes a tape. It's like a film, like your film. I got another. I got one more in there.
You got one more in there?
Let me see Kylie. Kylie got one. Kylie got a sticker. Got it. I got it. How? I'm gonna open Kylie's. Oh, get that. I want more like this. Open it. Remote. I want more like this. Like Kylie. Got it. You got this, Kylie. You got it, Kylie? Want me to help you, okay? No, got it. I got the one now.
Same one.
The same one?
You got the same one. Got 3 of them now.
One of you types. We have a glowstone. Yeah. Shake up, shake up. How do you shake this? Okay. Here, let me see. You got shotgun there. milkshake. It's a milkshake. Is it like a milkshake?
I got a mushroom too.
Kylie likes a mushroom.
Okay. Do you have more?
Yeah. Kylie has the last one. Here. We got it. No.
Last one.
Yeah.
There's no more.
Kylie.
And how about you? No more. Choco bunny. Choco bunny.
I want to open Kylie.
Smell it. It smells like chocolate.
I got him.
It smells like chocolate. Smell. It smells like chocolate.
Thanks for watching.